7,000 foot elevation. Right now I'm pushing my 1988 Cannondale road bike up to the incline. If you see that scar running up the middle of the mountain, that's the incline. Phew. Look at these cool ski benches over here. Colorado ski furniture. Place looks dope. Some really good stuff. I'm stoked. We're just getting started here. There's 3 different bailouts along the incline trail that you guys can take. So if you guys want to get a taste for the incline trail, but you may not be up for the whole thing, you can do the first third of it. And there's a bailout trail right here. Boom. You don't have to walk back down the steps. This takes you on a nice walk. It's an intermediate hike, and it will take you right down this gully back to the parking lot. We're over the first little false summit, and this is where it's going to start getting steep. Step 1300. I'd say about 500 steps ago it started to get really steep. And then you hit the 1300 step mark. But the view from just the halfway point, guys, check this out. From here you can see Garden of the Gods. You can see Manitou. You can see Old Town, or what it's called, Old Colorado City and Colorado Springs. And up she goes. When she stops, let's get some water. Ooh. Managed to find a shade. I've been sitting here for maybe 10 minutes. I got some water, and here we go. I mean, I'm ready to easily push all the way to the top now. There's definitely moments where it's getting so steep, you can just reach right out and almost touch the ground. Wow, look at that.
That's why you want to keep going. Walking, you can't do that.
Just keep climbing. Guys, I feel good. I feel really good. You can do it. This. You. We're about step 2200 and it's just a little bit more ways to go.
And then like the professional of that scope that is made like that.
Remove it. I think it was like integrated on the.
Oh, it's just in like the basement. You have like a wall.
Like,
And we're like, all right, I need 22.
Is it
I need
dude that's always
53s,
wearing the
I
blue
need
Lockheed
this.
hoodie
Just
in the
put it all
Colorado
in a box
team?
for us. And
No, he works.
So I've done the incline and it was wonderful. I'm taking Bar Trail back down to the bottom, 2.8 miles with great views of the mountains. Trailhead. Okay, this way. Here we go. And if you're adventurous, it's like that can fall right on top of my head. Hey, look at these cool railings they have on the side of the trail. I've got to say, this trail is really fun. If you're doing Bar Trail at a casual, leisurely pace like me, listen for the trail runners. Or that guy was carrying a bell, you heard that. I heard that, and it allowed me to kind of step aside, take a breather, let him run. Hey, look at these stairs. The trail goes this way, but there's these stairs that go this way. I wonder if this was like a section of the old trail or what this was, because It's super cool. It looks like it's new, but it doesn't really go anywhere. What do you guys think? I'm coming down the trail here and I thought, that's definitely not the path I'm supposed to go. This way, these big wide steps in the railing. This is the bar trail taking me down to the bottom there. So I was like, I guess I'll go ahead and pass on that because I don't know where off into the wilderness this might be taking me. And as I was sitting down to take a pebble out of my shoe, I heard another hiker walking by goes, "Hey, this goes to a waterfall." I have no idea if it's worth it, but it might be. This corner and check it out. Can you see that? See, this seriously took me like 2 minutes. I didn't stop the camera, but for like a second. Ooh, pretty butterfly. Whoa. This like cave and there's like a waterfall coming out of it. Colorado's pretty cool. All right, let's not waste too much time. Man, I love hiking detours. Can't park there if you're doing the incline. That parking is strictly for the Pikes Peak Railway. So you've got to take a shuttle from in town, and it's free and it's pleasant. How cool and crazy is this bike? Super cool.
Then you got Manitou still. Then you got Manitou still.
It's a special climb.